Hello and welcome to my channel. This video file on my desktop has audio which needs to be removed. To remove audio from a video or clip, right click on the video file, select Open With and then choose the QuickTime Player. Now click Edit on the menu bar and choose Remove Audio. You now need to save the new video file. Click on File on the menu bar, select Save. Give it a name, choose a location and click Save. If I play the new video file, you will see that it has no audio. It is like if this video helped you, subscribe to see more tutorials. Feel free to comment, ask questions or to give feedback.